Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with block 20, isn't it, children? So, let's start with block 21, which is matter and its properties. Okay. So, do you know what is a matter, children? No, right? So, that is our topic one, which is what is matter. Okay. So, please open your science content books, children, and turn to page number 130. 130. Okay, and if you see, children, matter is everything around us. Okay, it might be a table, kite, dustbin, ball, dice, chair, bed, door. Everything is a matter. Okay, your bag, air, water, flowers, milk, clothes, glass, your toys, everything is a matter, children. These are all the examples of matter. Okay, so these things may not be same, they might differ in their size. If you see in the picture, can you see the dustbin is very tall, isn't it, children? It's tall, yes. Ball is round, yes. Dice is like a cube. You have a chessboard which is like a square. So everything, the shapes are different, the sizes are also different. The dustbin will be tall, isn't it? The car will be big, the balloon will be light, the brick will be heavy, isn't it? So the colors also, the texture also. If you touch your ball, it will be soft, isn't it? If you touch your jackfruit and all, it will be little pokey, isn't it? The pins also. So the texture will be different. Some might be hard, some might be soft, some might be rough. Okay, the texture is different, the color might be different, the size might be different, the shape might be different. So these are all our properties. Even though everything is made of matter, but they might differ. These things might differ with color, size, shape, and texture, and many other properties also. Okay, so if you see, the main important two properties to understand the matter is mass and space. Mass is nothing but the amount of matter it is in that thing. Okay, the more the matter is, the heavier is the object. Okay, so if you take the table is heavier, isn't it, children, when compared to a ball? Yes, the table will be heavier. Because why it is heavier? It's because the matter in that is more when compared to the ball. So if the matter is more, the weight is also more, it becomes heavier. Okay, it becomes more mass. Okay, so if the matter is less, it will be like a lightweight. Okay, so depending on the matter, amount of the matter, the mass will be more or less. If the mass is more, it is heavy. If the mass is less, it is less lightweight. Okay, now next you have space. When you place that thing anywhere on the table or on the ground, how much space it's taking? Okay, that is the space. Okay, some things will take more space and some things will take less space. Okay, for example, if you compare your cricket ball and your football takes more space and cricket ball will take less space, isn't it, children? So that is space. So mass and space. So anything that has mass and occupies some space is called matter. Okay, if we have to explain matter in the terms of mass and space, you can explain it as, if an object has mass in it, that means it has some weight, less or more. It doesn't depend whether it is less or more. If it has some weight and it is occupying some space, even though it is 1 centimeter also, even it is 1 centimeter also taking the space, if the weight is even 1 gram, the smallest unit 1 milligram also, then it is said to be a matter. Okay, children, you understood the concept what is a matter? Yes. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book also. And if you find any other difficult word, you can add in your keywords and you can read it. Okay, coming to your question answers. So define the terms. So they have given some terms, we need to explain it. Okay, we have to define in a sentence. So the first one is matter. Matter. So how can we define the matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Just now we have learned, isn't it? Next, mass. Mass is the amount of matter contained in that object. That is nothing but your weight. Actually, children, mass is different, weight is different. They differ by the gravitational force. We learned, no, the earth pulls the object towards itself. So mass is different, weight is different, but there is only a slightest different. Okay, you need not to write weight in the bracket, you can directly write the mass. Okay, to understand, I have given the in the bracket weight. Okay, so if the gravitational force is acting on it, then it becomes weight. Okay, when gravitational force is not acting on it, it becomes mass. That you will learn in the higher classes. Okay, so here the amount of matter contained in an object is called the mass. Okay, and what if we have to define the space? Then what you can do, if a object takes up some space, is called space, we can say. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, volume book complete the volume book 3, page number 24, S1, mass and space. Okay, so in the next class we will learn what is this matter made up of. What is matter, we have learned. What it is made up of, we will learn in the next class. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.